Check out what the radiation does to the phone. Yeah? Look at it. You can see it. Yeah, they said, yeah, look, fuck you, fuck you. What's that? Look. Possibly or something. What the fuck are you doing? You stupid fucking... That is really fucked up. Anyway, yeah, the 5D. How good is this country?